All right, this last video, we're gonna go backwards. So now we kind of have some data stuff given to us, and we've got to figure out what the equation is, and then once we have it, then we'll go ahead and graph it. So example 2a, the focus is at -4, 0, and the vertex is at 0, 0. So let's go ahead and cheat just a little bit and kind of graph it out. So put your vertex in, 0, 0. The focus is going to be sitting over here, so that means the parabola has to be opening up to the left, just like that. Well, if the focus is 4 away from the vertex, the directrix is also 4 away. So it's going to be sitting at +4. So since you know the distance from the focus to the vertex, that is actually the A value. So A is going to equal 4. So now I can start filling in the equation. So since it's opening to the left, I know its x is equal to a negative 1/4a times y minus k quantity squared plus h. So I can plug in the a that I just found. So that would make the denominator 16. I can plug in the k value from the vertex, so that would be 0. Plug in the x value of the vertex for the h. So my equation is x is equal to -1/16 y squared. All right, let's go ahead and hit part B. The vertex is at 4, -2, and the focus is at 6, -2. So let's kind of cheat again. And let's plot those out. So 4, -2. And the focus is right over here at 6, -2. So that means the parabola is going to be opening up to the right. Just kind of like that. So if the focus is to the right, the directrix is going to be to the left, and they're the same distance away. So the focus is 2 away from the vertex, so is the directrix. So the directrix is right at x equals 2. And again, whatever that distance is, that's the A. So I know since it's opening to the right, it's going to be x equals a positive 1/4a times, y minus k quantity squared plus h. So now I can fill in everything. So the a value is 2, so that makes the fraction 1/8. The k value is -2, so y minus -2 makes it a plus, and the h is 4. All right, let's look at this last one. The focus is at -4, 4, and the directrix is the line y equals -2. So let's kind of cheat again. So here's your focus, and the directrix is going to be at -2, or yeah, the directrix is at -2. So that means the vertex is going to be somewhere in between them. So you have to figure out, well, what number is in between 4 and -2? And that would have to be 1. Anytime you want to know what's in between two numbers, just take the average. So add them together, and you get 1. So there is your vertex. And it's going to be drawn in a way so that the focus is inside the parabola. So just kind of like that. And again, I'm not really caring about the y-intercept. Some of you might be screaming, oh my gosh, it's in the wrong spot. It's like, I don't care. Do you have the right shape? Is the vertex in the right spot, as well as the focus, directrix, and da-da-da-da-da. All right, so the distance from the vertex to the focus is 3, so that's your A. It's opening up, so I know it's y equals a positive 1 over 4a times x minus h quantity squared plus k. So plug in the h, plug in the h, plug in the k. So a is 3, so 1 over 12. X minus a negative 4, so x plus 4. And the vertex is the 1. It's a plus 1. Okay, so there you go. That's how you get the equation from a data set as well as a graph. So if you have any questions, please email me. Talk to me during office hours. Don't be afraid to ask a question. Just ask away. All right, next time I'll be going over section 10.3.